Good morning, students. Goodbye. Today we will study about the molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory. That is the MOT. Molecular orbital theory. Generally MOT. Molecular orbital theory. And it was given by F. Hund and R. S. Mulliken in 1932. This is a theory regarding the formation of molecule. As you know, the atoms have atomic orbitals and atoms combine to form molecule. As you know that atom plus atom combine to form molecule. This is general train you are studying, you have learned from the class 9 that atoms combine to form molecule. Maybe different atom or similar atom. And atoms have atomic orbital. Atoms have atomic orbital. This atom has also atomic orbital. Atom has atomic orbital, and atomic orbital uses S, P, D, F. These are the atomic orbital. P, X, P, Y, P, Z. And atomic orbitals have distribution of electrons. When you study the atomic orbital, you have studied the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of this one also. When the atom combine together to form molecule, there is another orbital that is called molecular orbital. In atomic orbitals, electrons are influenced by one nucleus. You can say atomic orbitals are monocentric. Atomic orbitals, in the case of atomic orbital, they are monocentric because the electron present in the atom is influenced by only one nucleus. But when atom combine to form molecule, they form molecular orbital. They form molecular orbital. And in the case of molecule, there are many nucleus because 2 or 3 atoms combine to form the molecule. It depends upon the molecule. You can say there are many nucleus in the case of molecule. In case of molecule, there is a molecular orbital. When we study about the atomic orbital, we have learned regarding the electronic configuration 1s, 2s, 2p, 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 2 is in this way. In the same way, when we study the molecular orbital, there is also distribution of electrons. There is also distribution of electrons. In the case of molecular orbital, distribution of electrons takes place in the different electrons. You can say distribution of electron takes place in the molecular orbital. That is why you have to study the molecular orbital. Study about the energy level diagram of the molecular orbital. Energy level diagram of molecular orbital. But how the molecular orbitals are formed, we will study further. Now I am going to explain about it. And according to molecular orbital theory, when atomic orbitals combine, they form molecular orbital. But the number of molecular orbitals are same as the atomic orbital. When two atomic orbitals combine, they form two molecular orbitals. Number of molecular orbital is same as the number of atomic orbital. I mean to say, when two atomic orbital combine, they form two molecular orbital. Two atomic orbital, two molecular orbital. And molecular orbital are the two types. Molecular orbitals are of the two types. First is bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital. Second is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital, anti-bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital, you can say BMO. Anti-bonding molecular AMO. Bonding molecular orbitals have low energy. Bonding molecular orbital have low energy and more stability. Whatever I am giving explanation to you, you have to write in your notebook also. You have to make own notes with the help of this video. Whatever I am explaining to you. Bonding molecular orbital have low energy and more stability, while the anti-bonding molecular orbital have high energy and less stability. You have to note it. Bonding molecular orbital have low energy and high stability. They have low energy and high stability, or you can say more stability. While the anti-bonding molecular orbital have high energy and less stability. You can take a screenshot of this board, then I will giving more explanation about it. Bonding molecular orbital have low energy and high stability, and they are represented by sigma, pi or eta, delta, sigma, pi or delta. While the anti-bonding molecular orbital which have high energy and less stability, they are represented by sigma streak, pi streak or delta streak. Whatsoever I am giving explanation in this video, you have to write and note each and every in your note copy, because this is a very important theory. Many times have been regarding the questions. Many questions are asked about from this lesson in the board examination as well in the competition examination also. That is why each and every point you must note in your copy. Bonding molecular orbital have less energy and high stability, and they are represented by sigma, pi or delta. While the anti-bonding molecular orbitals have you can say more energy, less stability, and they are represented by sigma streak, pi streak or delta streak. And you can say molecular orbitals above principle, molecular orbitals follow the, note down, molecular orbitals follow the Hund's rule, above principle, Pauli exclusion principle, they also, molecular orbital also follow the Hund's rule, above principle or Pauli exclusion principle. Now I am going to explain how the molecule energy diagram, energy level diagram